Hello everyone. How to prepare the sworn statement of accountability of the proponent, especially for the purpose of submission of compliance monitoring report. Paano ba ang gagawin natin itong sworn statement of accountability of the proponent pag magsasubmit ng compliance monitoring report? As shown on the screen, meron tayong pattern dito na pwede nating i-work out. At kung kailangan mo ng kopya nito, just type it below or mag-email ka lang. So dito ang title ng ating document, Sworn Statement of Accountability of the Proponent. At meron dito mga statement. This is to certify that all the information and commitments in this compliance monitoring report for, lagay po natin dito yung monitoring period. Halimbawa, nasa ano tayo, July to December 2025 at iyan yung monitoring period. Pwede natin piliin din yung second semester. Yan, for example, 2025. So meron tayong first semester na monitoring period at it covers yung January to June monitoring period. At meron din tayong second semester at yan po yung ating July to December. Yan yung ating monitoring period. Yan. So, depende kung anong monitoring period kayo magsasubmit ng compliance monitoring report. And then ito naman yung title of project na merong environmental compliance certificate. So sa ating environmental compliance certificate, alamin mo doon yung title ng project. So halimbawa nakalagay doon ay ABC Terminal Project. Ayan. Kung gusto mo, lagyan mo ng ECC number para madali mong maalala. No? Oh, yan, may ECC number. So dito, this is to certify that all the information and commitments in this compliance monitoring report for second semester 2025 for the ABC Terminal Project are accurate and complete to best of our knowledge, and an objective and thorough assessment of the project was undertaken in accordance with the dictates of professional and reasonable judgment. Should I or we learn of any information which would make this compliance monitoring report inaccurate, I shall immediately bring the said information to the attention of DENR EMB. So second statement na naman, I hereby certify that no DENR EMB personnel was directly involved in the preparation of this. Lalagay mo lang dito yung semester. Apo, halimbawa, second semester 2025's compliance monitoring report. Other than to provide procedural and technical advice consistent with the guidelines in DAO 2003-30 Revised Procedural Manual. I hereby bind myself to answer any penalty that may be imposed arising from any misrepresentation or failure to state material information in compliance monitoring report. In witness whereof, I hereby set my hand this. Ito na yung sa mga ating notary. So dito ay name of proponent head. Lalagay natin dito kung sino ba yung nagre-represent ng kumpanya, korporasyon o establishmento. Halimbawa, Peter S. Pan. Yan. Siya ngayon ang president ng company na proponent ng project. Halimbawa, ABC Company Inc. Then sa baba, for notary na lang. So dito ay kailangan may printed copy at kailangan pirmahan ng managing head, itong president na ito, bago sa notary. Okay? So ito ang sworn statement of accountability of the proponent for particular monitoring period. So, ang mga papalitan mo na lang dito pag meron ka nitong template ay itong monitoring period. Yan yung papalitan mo na lang from time to time. At syempre yung pagpapanotaryo after na mapirmahan yung ating accountability statement. So every reporting, merong i-accomplish na sworn statement of accountability, papipirmahan sa managing head, president, subject for notary. Ano? Tapos yan na yung isasubmit nyo na scanned document nito, PDF format, sa online compliance monitoring system. So I hope you have learned something. So kung paano mag-prepare, paano i-accomplish, paano gawin ang sworn statement of accountability of the proponent for the submitted compliance monitoring report. So if you think na nakatulong sa iyo ang video na to, please like and share this video. You can uh, ask question below naman kung may katanungan. Thank you very much for time listening. God bless us all.